Hi everyone, this is Rego from industrialmalaysia.my. If you have been watching Malaysia's property market lately, you'll notice one clear trend. The market spotlight is now shifting towards the industrial segment, from factories to warehouses and logistic hubs. This sector has quietly become one of the most promising investment opportunities in the country. And here's why investors are paying special attention, and now why this is the perfect time to get in. So, why invest in industrial properties? Malaysia's property market, the industrial segment, is expanding fast, especially manufacturing, electronics, data centers, logistics, and supply chain. There are three major industrial properties hotspots in Malaysia, namely Selangor, Penang, and Johor. These three places are seeing rising demand from both local businesses and global players looking for modern, well-located facilities. And this demand translates into higher occupancy rates and better rental stability for investors. Unlike the residential segment, industrial segment usually sign long-term tenancy and even leases, often 5 to 10 years or beyond, and tend to stay put because relocation is costly. This gives investors a steady, predictable income stream with minimal vacancy risk. Since our Prime Minister Anwar Ibrahim took office, the government has launched high-value driven industrial initiatives such as the new Industrial Master Plan 2030 and Madani Economy Framework. These government policies are actively driving Malaysia's industrial transformations. They encourage investment in advanced manufacturing, automation, and green industries, all of which create sustained demand for quality industrial spaces. The boom in e-commerce has supercharged demand for warehouses and distribution centers. With Malaysia's strategic location and growing transport infrastructure, logistic players are expanding aggressively. It's another tailwind for industrial property owners. Industrial properties can generate up to 6 to 8% rental yield, which is much higher compared to most residential and retail assets. On top of that, industrial land in established industrial areas such as Shah Alam, Klang, Puncak Alam, and even Banting is becoming scarce. Hence, it pushes the price upward year by year. Global manufacturers are diversifying their operations away from China, and Malaysia is one of the key biggest beneficiaries. The country's stable government, skilled workforce, and solid infrastructure continue to attract foreign investors, many of whom are long-term industrial tenants. So why now is the best time to invest in industrial properties in Malaysia? Malaysia is entering a golden phase of industrial growth, with billions in planned investments under NIMP 2030. New opportunities are emerging everywhere, from high-tech manufacturing hubs to logistic corridors. Getting in now means riding the wave of the upcoming industrial boom. Industrial land and factories prices in Malaysia remain affordable as compared to Singapore, Thailand, and Vietnam. Investors who move now can still find value before the land costs and construction prices rise further. Older factories are being upgraded or replaced with modern energy efficient buildings that meet new industry standards. This transformation creates opportunities for investors to own next generation industrial assets that appeal to global tenants. In established industrial In established industrial zones, new supply is limited and demand is climbing. Rental rates are already on an upward trend, a sign that well-located properties will enjoy both solid yields and strong capital appreciations. The current weak ringgit offers a rare advantage. For foreign buyers, Malaysia industrial properties are more affordable. For the locals, it's a good time to buy before the currency strengthens and value rise. Massive projects like West Coast Expressway, ECRL, East Coast Rail Link, and port expansion in Port Klang and Johor will soon boost logistic efficiency and property values across major industrial corridors. So, what's the main key takeaway? Industrial real estate is more than just warehouses and factories. It's the foundation of Malaysia's next economic chapter. With strong government support, rising demand, and limited supply, major infrastructure upgrades, and this is a sector built for growth and resilience.